Namaste. I'm Dr. Spandan Reddy. I'm consultant osteopath at Shishitapa Panchakarma, and I'm going to give you a few tips and techniques that you can do to improve the mobility and the health, to maintain the health of your body. So, a lot of us are not really maintaining good posture at home. Either we end up watching TV or watching a lot of time on the phone, and that affects the strength of the muscles and the stretchability of the connective tissue fascia in the body. So there are some very easy to do stretches by yourself that you can do, and osteopathically it is said to improve circulation all over your body. So sitting on the floor or sitting on the bed, so we sit comfortably, and what you're going to do is you're just going to lean and place your elbow on one side. Relax, and as you breathe in, lift the outer hand up and stretch as much as you can. Make sure that you are not lifting your buttock up. Your buttocks are both on the yoga mat. So breathing in, and as you breathe out, drop. Another breath in, and as you breathe out, stretch. And just staying in this posture for 1 or 2 long breaths. So what we are doing is, we're opening up the circulation on the sides. Breathing in, slowly come up, and breathing out, relax. We're opening up the circulation on the sides. Now doing this on the other side. Resting the elbow, breathing in, and as you breathe out, stretch. Make sure your elbow doesn't come in front, doesn't go too far behind. It's just above. Breathing in, and breathe out. Stretch a little more. Enjoy it. Take deep breaths. And then, as you breathe in, slowly coming up. And if you really want to increase the stretch and you want to stretch a little more, instead of keeping your elbow next to you, keep it a little farther away and then stretch. That's up to your comfort, but this should open up the chains on the side, which means you are helping the paraspinal muscles, the big muscles on the side, the latissimus, quadratus. All of these are big muscles that handle the body weight to stretch, relax, and let go, which can help your back to get relief from spasms and stiffness.